Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the NIU KQI Air, a scooter that promises to blend lightweight design with impressive performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The NIU KQI Air stands out immediately for its sleek carbon fiber construction, making it one of the lightest scooters in its class. This material not only ensures durability but also enhances portability without compromising on strength. Folding and unfolding the KQI Air is straightforward, though not as seamless as some competitors. Its ergonomic design includes a handy LED halo light for enhanced visibility and integrated turn signals on the handlebars, which is a fantastic safety addition. The scooter features a sturdy magnesium bracket and a user-friendly latching mechanism, though it could be a tad smoother. Nonetheless, these elements contribute to its robust build and ease of use. Powered by a 350W motor, the KQI Air accelerates swiftly and handles inclines well, maintaining speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on flat ground. The air-filled tires provide a smooth ride, absorbing bumps better than many of its competitors. Its braking system is responsive and reliable, ensuring quick stops when needed, enhancing overall safety during your rides. NIU claims a maximum range of 31 miles, but real-world usage typically clocks in around 17 miles, depending on various factors. Charging the scooter is straightforward with its proprietary charging port, though Bluetooth connectivity drains the battery faster if left unused. The NIU app allows for customization of the scooter's settings, including speed limits and regenerative braking levels. It also facilitates GPS tracking, a useful anti-theft feature that complements the physical NFC card security system. The scooter's electronic horn is loud enough to alert pedestrians and other vehicles, adding to its safety features. However, connecting the scooter to the app via Bluetooth can sometimes be finicky, showing minor connectivity quirks. So, should you consider the NIU KQI Air? Absolutely. It's a top contender in the lightweight scooter category, blending excellent performance with thoughtful features like integrated turn signals and robust security options. While it's not the cheapest option out there, its combination of power, range, and safety features makes it a standout choice. That wraps up our review of the NIU KQI Air. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and ride safely out there.